With Sellercloud, you can easily adjust the physical quantity of your products when needed and increase or reduce the current inventory of one or multiple products at once. In this video tutorial we will look at adjusting the inventory for individual products. To adjust your inventory, you first need to open the product you want to change. Go into the Toolbox and type in Warehouse. Click the Adjust icon in the related Warehouse tab. Add the quantity you need to adjust and save your adjustment. To transfer inventory from one warehouse to another, go into the Transfers tab of the product page and click the Add Transfer icon on the right. Choose the warehouses you want to transfer to and from and the quantity you want to transfer. Click Transfer. Similarly, to set physical inventory, click the Physicals tab and click the plus icon on the right. Select the desired warehouse, physical quantity, inventory date, and cost. Click Set. You can also set up specific adjustment reasons. Simply go to Settings, click Inventory, and select Adjustment Reasons. Type in your reason and click Add Reason. From here, you can also delete existing reasons. To create an Inventory Adjustment Audit report, go into the Reports menu and click on Inventory Adjustment Audit under the Inventory section. Add the start and end date. Choose your SKU and click Search.